everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have an unboxing and it's something I don't normally buy. It's not a Coach bag. This is a Michael Kors bag, and I saw this bag a few days ago when I was in the mall and I was permitted to film a video in the Michael Kors boutique. And this is one of the bags I focused on, and I really like it. I love the colors. I'm not sure about the style. I'm not sure about the weight. I wasn't even going to buy this, but after I left the store, the next day I called and I spoke to the sales associate, and I was telling her that I was still thinking about this bag, and she said, well, it's going to be going off sale tomorrow, which is today. It's no longer on sale. So she said, why don't you buy it and think about it, and you could always return it. Next time you come to the store, you could bring it here or to another Michael Kors boutique. Not a Michael Kors in a Macy's. It has to go, if you buy it in the boutique, you have to bring it back to the boutique. So I said, all right, that's fair. So here it is, and I'm going to unbox it and hope for the best. The way my luck has been going. I got it started a little bit so I don't struggle with the tape, because she really taped this very well. Okay, the color is beautiful. I love this color. This is called Brandy. And this was in the store, and she had two. She had a display, and she had one in the back. So she took out the one in the back, and we compared it, and I preferred the one in the display, actually. So I thought the other one had creases and folds where it doesn't look like they belong. So this is called the Bedford Legacy Tote. And if you saw my video on Michael Kors, you might remember that I was looking at this. This is really nice leather. This is substantial leather. In my day, back in the day, and I'm almost 70, so that's several days ago, this is what we used for bags. We used bags with thick, nice leather, and it was our bags. It was like real bags. Today, everything is very fancy and ornate and different materials. But this is the kind of material we used back in my day. Excuse me. I want to weigh this because the weight is a consideration. My husband felt it was too heavy for me when we were in the store. So we're going to weigh it and see. It's a dust bag, and she stuffed it for me. It was not stuffed in the store. I don't see its sales tag here. That's not good. If I need to return it, it has to have a sales tag. Let me show you the end. This is the inside. Look at how big that is. That's just space. A lot of space, and it's all lined in a polyester lining. It has a key leash. There it is. It matches the gold of the hardware, which looks to me like a light gold, and the actual leash is the same leather as the bag. It has buckles on the front and the Michael Kors logo and the Michael Kors MK hang tag. It has feet on the bottom. This leather is really nice. This is smooth leather. Pebbled smooth. Here are D-rings, and that would be for the crossbody. Is this adjustable for a shoulder bag? No, it's not. And that could be the issue for me also. It has, let me see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. They're an inch apart. The thing is, the issue for me that I was not sure about is these handles. When I tried it on in the store, I tried it on like this. And if I could wear it like this, that would be fine. But these are 5-inch handles, and I'm accustomed to a 10 1/4 inch drop. But we'll see how that goes. I know I don't wear totes as crossbodies. I know that for sure, so I'll just put it on to show you what it looks like. But I would not wear this as a crossbody. And this is adjustable. The handles go down. I have to say this bag is not light, but it's not heavy, excruciating heavy. But we'll see, you know, my things are going to make at least 2 pounds more. Let's see how much it weighs. I think this is a beautiful bag. Oh my God. 2 pounds, 8.5 ounces, which means it's almost 2 pounds, 9 ounces. That is heavy for me. I really like it though. There's so much you could put in here. Well, let's show you the inside. I like that there's leather, the same color leather around the pocket. This is a zip pocket in the back. The zipper is really nice. And, oh, here is the tag. I'm glad she included that because I would need this. First of all, it should even be on the bag because this is not supposed to be a worn bag. So, let me put my glasses on. I'll tell you what I paid for it and dimensions. This was on sale for 25% off. It's no longer on sale. Oh. The original price was $358. I got it for $268.50. The style number, that's a long number. I'll show it to you. F like Frank, 9, G like girl, 0, 6, T3L or 7-3L. I can't read my writing. The size is 14 inches in the length, 11 inches in height, and 6 inches in depth. And now you know that it weighs almost 2.9 pounds. So what do you guys think? Do you wear it, this short a handle like this? Because that would be the only way I would wear it. There's an indentation there, but she had a stuff. Oh, so I was showing you, this is the zip pocket, and there's a slip pocket over here. I'm sorry. 2 slip pockets over here, which are shallow, about the size of just my fingers. On this wall, there are 3 slip pockets, which are long, but very thin. This one is for a pen. That's about it. This one is this wide, And the other one, another pen or a toothbrush or something like that. It has a snap magnetic closure. But it is heavy because it's hurting my hand holding it up. Well, I really like it. I really like the leather. I really, really like this leather so much. And the color. Wonderful color. The color is Brandy. So I want to thank you guys for joining me. And this is, don't know, I'm not sure about this one. Not sure. But, well, she said I could think about it and, you know, decide and do what I have to do. So if you're writing in a comment, you could tell me what you think. But I have to tell you that with this almost 3 pounds, I'm going to be walking around with at least 5 pounds in this bag. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Bye now. Hi everybody, I had to come back and tell you I forgot an important feature on this bag, and it is that this bag can be cinched. Over here are clips on each side, a D-ring and a clip, and you clip it together. And change the shape of this bag to look like this. This is how it will look if you're carrying it on your arm, which I don't carry bags on my arm. As a tote, if you're using these straps as a shoulder bag, and how it would look as a crossbody. Now this strap is adjustable, so you can make it lower. These handles go down or up on these D-rings or square rings. But I could tell you that because of the weight, if you're walking around with your things in it, and the bag is almost 2 pounds 9 ounces, which is actually 2 3/4 pounds, that this strap is going to dig into your neck. It's digging into mine already, and there's nothing in the bag because it's a thin strap. This is about 1/2 inch in width. But I just wanted to tell you that because hey, you got to know it. You got to know all the facts. So pretty. Thanks everybody. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.